So today, January 1st, 2019, good old number 759 Dodge pickup truck, 70 Camaro front clip, 350 Chevy motor, airbagged on all four corners. So we're having a little issue with the airbag system. It's a little outdated. May have to update it and proceed from there. It runs pretty good. We had it out driving. Still need to do the brake system before it's safe enough to go start going to the car shows. A little shot of the interior. So that's what we're working on this year to get this thing ready to go up for car shows. In the meantime, we're also working on the cab over here. This is a 1933 Dodge cab. As you can see, the floor is kind of rotted out down at the bottom, and the back wall has got a nice big long, almost all the way across. The back just below the window is rusted out. So it's always good to have another cab around. That's this one over here. This is another 33 Dodge project that I'm working on. So I'm using this cab to build a template in the back, a jig perhaps, if you can call it that. It's made out of 1-inch square steel bar. It's about 1 inch off the floor, clamped to the existing posts, and then at least 5 inches back from this point right here, and 5 3/4 inches back to the center. We're going to build this back, and I'm going to eventually show you how to get it up higher. We'll build this big square steel cage out of it so that we can get this up here also rigged in there so that the whole back wall has a template. And then we're going to also work on the 5.7. This is a 2005 5.7 liter Hemi engine, and so we're going to work on the motor mounts. We're going to build some motor mounts for it, and then once that's done and we got it in the right spot where I think she'll go, we'll work on the transmission mount and then redo the tunnel and the cage going back to the rear axle. This is the frame for the other 33. Little cruder, little more rat rod style. Need to pop the rear disc brakes off and work on those to get the axle to roll freely. Right now the brakes are locked, and so we'll go from there. Last year we worked on a very crude but functioning triangulated 4-link system with springs off an 05 Dodge Magnum. I guess you can guess now that there was a Dodge Magnum in here last year. I used it for parts donor, and so it'll feed quite a few projects as we move along. And last year I was able to get the front axle welded up, and we'll work on that, and we'll put the cab on it and see where we want to go from there. I hope you're all were having a great New Year's today or yesterday, enjoying your days off. So that's where we're at. Thanks for stopping by.